In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get streak-free windows so you can showcase your home proudly. Most people mess up with do-it-yourself window cleaning because they're really focused on trying to get the big stuff. You can be cleaning the window and then it'll look great, but the second that the sun hits it, you're going to see all the streaks and swirls from using Windex and a paper towel and all those little white pieces that are left behind. The main thing is not having the right equipment to do the job. The best way to not get streaks when you're cleaning windows is going to be using a mop and a squeegee to get everything you possibly can, and then taking a towel to wipe the edges. If you're still getting streaks after using that method, then I would go ahead and really just get some practice in, make sure that you're getting everything at the same time. Now I'm going to take you through our step-by-step process so you can learn how to get streak-free windows yourself. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your mop and everything set up, and you're going to get a full wipe down of the window with your mop to get everything wet and really able to be cleaned off with the squeegee. You're going to take your squeegee and go all the way around the edges, make sure that you're getting a really good clean, removing all of that dirt and pulling it off that you had kind of gotten up with that mop. Now you're going to take one finger in a towel and you're going to wipe the edges. You want to have as little contact as possible while still getting that water off. Window cleaning is an extremely simple process. It's just you really need to be able to pay attention to detail and make sure that you have the right equipment to do it. If you're going to take the time, make sure that you're really going slow, and especially right away when you're learning, to make sure that you're not leaving any of those little streaks or anything like that, because as soon as the sun comes out, it's going to make them extremely noticeable. If you want crystal clear results without wasting your weekend, DM the word appointment to get a quick quote.